Hello everyone. Let us see how to assign values to variables and print the same. We are using concatenate here. Concatenate is a website where you can execute your code online. So I'll select the second link of executing my program for Python 3. Hash symbol here will be used for the commenting. So I'm including single line comment here. Basically this code will tell you how to assign values to the variables, how to use concatenate. So here we are using a number of variables A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and we are assigning values to different variables. This is how you can assign values, numeric values, to different variables. Here I am using P and H, two different variables, and I am assigning two different values here, and this value is string and it is not an integer value. Print function is used to print the values of all the variables. And I am using print function again to print a blank line also. In case you want to concatenate two strings, you can use plus operator here. You can see the output, the strings are concatenated. Now let us join two strings. So I am trying to join or concatenate two strings, that is P and H. So P contains hello, H contains computer students. So it is concatenated and it is shown on the right hand side the output of concatenation. Now these are some reserved keywords which cannot be used as a variables, as the interpreter uses keywords to recognize the structure of a program, and they cannot be used as a variable names. These all keywords have a inbuilt functions, so you cannot use it as a variable. Let us try to use them as a variable and see what is the output. So as you can see here, it is showing the error. Thank you.